Here's a 1975 Yamaha RD250. As you can see, it's been a frame-up restoration. I'm going to show you everything, or try to. You can see the nuts were all redone. There's a little bit of scuff mark there. You can see the engine completely redone. It was pulled and went through. It has a fresh first overbore. See the tank's completely redone, good to go. Now the mileage that's on the top is the anchor mileage from the rebuild, from 0 to now, and the bottom is the total. You can see how everything is brand spanking new. I'm going to start it up here in a little bit. The rear wheel, it's brand new spokes, the original rim. The front is the original front rim with brand new spokes. Brand new seat cover, an OEM seat cover. There's new shocks. You can see all that good stuff right there. Carbs were gone through, completely rebuilt. New manifolds. Every nut and bolt and the washer was what carefully went through. Take a look underneath the seat here. As you can see here, it's very clean. New, if you could tell right there, there's a new seat foam that I did put in. This is the cover. You can see there's a brand new sticker. The wiring harness was completely went through too. It's the original OEM battery. And this right there is the original toolkit. And yep, all the tools are in there. They're cleaned out and good to go. Try to get a shot on the underside here. So you can see it's definitely everything's been very carefully cleaned out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start this baby and go from there. Out right now in Syracuse. Then the horn works. You have to see the right turn signal up there is working, and the rear one. There's the front right there, and right there. And last one we'll do is we'll check the headlight. That's the low beam, and that's the high beam. The handlebars are completely redone. The hand switches are brand new. They're OEM. I was able to find those on eBay. See those right there. Even the screws are right there are OEM, just like the ones are right here and right here. Those are original. Did a rebuild kit on the master cylinder for the brake, and you can see I got brand new OEM mirrors. Those are new turn signals, new bulbs, everything. You can see I cleaned everything up really well. I don't know if you can see it. There's the sticker. All brand new cables. There's a frame-up restoration job. As you can see, everything is definitely solid and cleaned right out. Here's the tail section. And I put the closest OEM tires on there I could find. I also have the owner's manual that goes with it. And like I said, the original tool kit is there too. You can see that's cleaned up. It's nice and smooth, brand new brake pads. What I'll do is I could just pull out the toolkit real quick. That'd probably be the best thing. It's got the air filter is OEM. And here's all the tools. They're cleaned up. And that is an original Yamaha bag. Alrighty, thanks for looking.